There's a special promotion today. Ooh, that one's on sale. Buy 200, get one free. You came all the way here. Might as well stock up.
Disgusting creatures.
Ah, a friend. I mean, a customer. I get it. You're busy. Enjoy your purchase.
Another step forward on my path.
Happy to make a sale. Sad to say goodbye.
When we are finished, may I dissect you for study?
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Bring her about! I've got another salvo in me.
Discounts for peace! I'm so glad we can share this experience today. You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
Tasty bit of trash! The rookery remembers! Ah!
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise. Oh, I think you're really gonna enjoy that.
After all these centuries, there is still more to learn.
At Gigamart, we have everything. Those carts are huge for a reason. buy more.
You are a child to me, and I will punish you.
I'll fly rings around you. I make a lot of mistakes, but I always learn from them.
Smart Shoppers by Vintage. Our items have lived. They have stories.
People first, profit 10th. Now, if that doesn't work out for you, come back for a refund.
I know, like, several dark arts. Please, don't tell Master about this.
With each new discovery, the formula of life is revealed.
Curio sells junk. They don't make these like they used to.
I'm not getting out of this pool, darling. But your wealth, that piece has some stories. I wore that to the Grand Cinema Awards.
I have faced 82 foes exactly like you. People are a pattern. I will leave you alive to learn the lesson. I am seeking gold in a world of lead. Some people just need a good whack. You're tougher than you look. closer and closer. I can hear my sister's laughter.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does. Hey, that's okay. It's been nice talking to you.
Reward the peaceful, punish the warful. I suppose you'll go by a weapon instead.
Why must we do this? Death laughs at us both.
You do see these tusks, right? Next time, I'll show you what I learned from this.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. Just toss that on my back, and I'll trot it to your door.
Cast aside your deathstrument! I can feel our energies resonating. Your aura guided me to what you needed.
Community complaints? Talk to my advisor, Mr. Barkington. See? My opponent resorts to violence!
The Bazaar has many secrets. I will uncover them all.
Seagate is lovely this time of year, don't you think? Quark Fable gave that to me on our first date.
In 100 years when you are dust, I will remain.
Please, you don't want to do this. This noisy city, all these people. I should return to the wild.
Sale, no sale. I want what's right for you. See that mountain? That's Poe. He might have what you need.
In its deep ruins, their power waits. We finally rest.
My mind glows. I see everything.
There are a lot of steps in this staircase, but it's beautiful up there.
Bet you'll be surprised when that comes in handy. See ya.
You remind me of someone I fought last century. If you knew my true purpose, you would stand aside. Please, share with me your secrets.
Welcome to Gigamart. Can I help you find everything? Spend 300 more for free shipping! I'll carry it to your vehicle.
Welcome in, hon. What can I get you? I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird.
A waste of my time. But I do have... My power burns hotter, melting away impurities.
Speed doesn't come from muscles. It comes from beyond the body. Don't travel from point A to B. Just be there.
Sylvia and I. Oh, it was a love too big for the silver screen. How do I do it? Just call it movie magic.
Come with no weapons? Use that for the good of all.
I seek the ultimate secret. Will you get me any closer?
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? I believed in myself and I still lost.
I got everything you need. Just a matter of finding it. While you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar. Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything. Warms my rusty circuits to see that find a home. That's been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you.
With great sacrifice comes great reward.
With enough power, I will defeat death itself.
Why are people running? Why are they afraid of science? I meant no harm to anyone, only mild discomfort.
Small things remind me of seeds, acorns, home. I'll show those stumps back home. I'm gonna be a business tree. On behalf of the Grand Society of Mister. Anyway, thanks. I'm almost sure that was a good trade. It's not really my size, but I guess I'll take it. Did you see it, Quicksilver? I made a sale!
I will fight you, but only so that I can study you.
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. Bravery without strength is a sword without a blade.
Take your time. I'm pretty laid back.
Another step forward on my path.
Destroy this fool and proceed with the trial.
Tactics may fail against such savagery.
As a GSM and master merchant, I can, sell you things. I bet Quixel or Midsword would like this. GSMM Manual, page 320. Don't let feelings blind you to profit.
Life is risk. At the edge of the foundation, they wait. They build.
I seek the ultimate secret. Will you get me any closer? You remind me of someone I fought last century. take no apprentice. None have proven worthy.
You are so much stronger than you think.
After all these centuries, there is still more to learn.
I'm sorry. Cute. I'm a professor of the toxic arts. It is my pleasure to educate you in the toxic arts.
The Bazaar's a crazy place, right?
With each new discovery, the formula of life is revealed.
You look like a hardy one. Need some work? Yes, let's keep digging. There's always more to find. Hey, you're a natural at this.
Little sentient slub shops. So I opened one. In and out here and there, so.
Any good fights lately? Oh, I do miss it. I hope you live long enough to reconsider.
When we are finished, may I dissect you for study?
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabarians. Well, I'll admit, that was impressive.
I've heard some very interesting things about you.
Closer and closer. I can hear my sister's laughter.
The fire softens before it strengthens. Remember that.
Life is urgent. Hurry up!
Too hot here. Make angry. I go back Frost Street. Not belong here. Nothing I can do about your world good. Food. Good grind. Good health.
The Bazaar has many secrets. I will uncover them all.
I've taught you all I can. Until tomorrow, that is.
I have faced 82 foes exactly like you. People are a pattern.
My people believe in peace. Boring! Well, I guess motivation isn't everything.
I break so many ships, they cover the seabed. Mars like a forest. Rare few may tangle with a primordial and live. Well, fools.
My mind glows. I see everything.
You see landfill, I see buried treasure. Hooey! Now that's a bargain. That's been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you. Well, you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar.
Come on in. Let's chat. That's okay. It was nice to see you.
I will leave you alive to learn the lesson.
Let's make this quick. I have something in the oven. Well, I ordered the dish. Guess I have to eat it.
I might have something in your budget in the scrap fields. I think we're heading for a recession.
My power burns hotter, melting away impurities.
Work is never done. It can always be better. My work is for the glory of Samaska. So, tell someone.
Experience is treasure. I will share mine with you. The Bazaar is a rabid beast. Be its master.
You are a child to me, and I will punish you.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobody. Next time, boys, less blunder, more plunder.
A result befitting my centuries of experience.